Welcome back to the channel. What are we doing today? I figured out how to use the noise cancellation on the mic, so I'm actually using it properly now. We're on our way to Manchester for a model casting. I'm so excited. I'm not really nervous. I wouldn't say I'm nervous. Kind of more nervous that I've never done this before than nervous of the actual thing. This is like putting myself out there. And I'm with my mom, who's right now putting petrol in the car. And we're taking the old car, cheaper petrol-wise, which is kind of Floyd's because he uses it to practice driving. I've got a cute pair of heels on. I'm really excited to see where this goes. And I really hope that I get considered for an agency. I wasn't gonna vlog this, but then I was like, this is my first ever model casting. I might as well.
We're off in our little tricycle.
Before we start walking, here's the outfit. My top is weekday, my skirt is Amazon, this bag is Boohoo, and my shoes are Untold. That audio is ruined, but I'm going to take that opportunity and kind of explain the context of why I went to model. I've always been into modeling. Finally built up the courage and started researching modeling agencies, how to get into modeling professionally. My biggest thing is getting my education, choosing the career that I want to do. I want to go into medicine. Modeling is definitely not the final career choice. It's definitely something I want to pursue. I also believe that you aren't restricted to one career in your lifetime. I want to do many things. This is just me going for something that I have a passion for. It's actually very difficult to get signed to an agency. Some people get scouted and it's easy for them. Me being 5'3", it's a little difficult. I have been sending digitals. Every time I'd email agencies, apply to agencies online, I would either get an email back basically rejecting me or nothing back at all, which just means like it's a no after a few weeks. You get the hint. In this industry, like you just have to get used to it. I understand I'm not the look they're going for. I'm still going to try and pursue this thing. We're nearly there. We're on Ann Street. It's 2:02 and the thing starts at 2, but we'll get there in time. It's fine. Hopefully there's not a long line. I don't know. We're nearly there anyway. It's just down this street. So yes. We're just saying that it feels like we're walking through London right now. It's really nice weather. We're here now. There's actually kind of a lot of people. I did my little walk and it was okay. I think I did okay. Me and Mum were talking about like how to catwalk and I have to do left first. I completely forgot. I wasn't even nervous. There was obviously the 3 judges, but then if you wanted to, you could like wait and just watch everyone else do their walk. So there was a bunch of people there, and so I just got a little bit nervous because I didn't know that was happening. It's okay. I did my thing. Hope they did good. I just ordered an acai bowl now, and I'm excited to try it because I don't think I've ever really had proper acai bowl other than the ones I've made for myself at home. And I got the health and wealth one without coconut shavings, and I replaced the coconut with mango instead. How long did I do? 2 hours 30 minutes. The line was long. There's so many people still waiting to do their stuff. It's 3:05 and we got here at 2, which is when it started. I know it's 3:05. I think pretty good timing. This is a very short vlog. Here's the bowl. It looks so good. So strawberry, kiwi, banana, mango, some blueberries, chia seeds. On my phone.
What one is that?
Juice?
What is that, like a syrup?
No, it's chia seeds.
No, I know chia seeds. What's that?
Like the
Is it
sweet.
like, is it like, what is it?
I don't know. Oh yeah, honey. So all in all, I had a great time. Me and my mom got ice cream after because it was a hot day. But again, in this footage, I was not using my mic. I don't even know why I brought it because I was not utilizing it. I'm really lucky because it took me not even too long to convince my mom to drive me all the way to Manchester. She literally supports me in like anything. It's really crazy how I actually found the model casting. I wasn't even actively looking for one to go to. It just landed on my For You page. It was fake, guys. I promise you, it was meant to be on my For You page. As soon as I saw it, I was like, I'm going to this. There are not many open cast calls that have this kind of diversity. I think I did a pretty decent job explaining how the experience was, how I felt. However, if you know, kind of shy, and we're getting over that, guys, don't worry. With the plans that I have for my channel, we gotta get over this fear of vlogging in public. Even though I didn't love the walk that I did, the event itself was so nice. Seeing all the models there, everyone looked amazing. The fits were gorgeous, the face cards. We're done with today. I'm really tired. Hey guys, don't really put my hair in a claw clip, so this is rare. I can't lie, we might just put the hood back up because I usually just like end my vlogs abruptly because I forget to do outros. I actually did somewhat of an outro this time. Okay, so basically why I'm back is because I wanted to share with you guys the update that I got. The host Esme made an announcement saying that if you want to improve your application, if you're not happy with the mugshot that was taken, then you can send by Sunday morning, which is very, very soon, your measurements, so chest, waist, and hip size, and any photo or video content of yourself at the event. My brightness is so high up, oh my gosh, I'm blinding myself. She also said, and this is the exciting part, because I wasn't too sure what would happen. I knew I was just gonna go to this casting, hopefully get an email, maybe not, and that's it. But she has just said that all 109 attendees will be presented to a London model agency on Monday afternoon. Guys, what the heck? There's more information, but that's the important stuff. Now that I've sent everything in, all we have left to do is just wait and see if they get back to me.